Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Discord bot. Before we dive in, let's ensure you have the necessary tools. First, you'll need a Discord account and a server where you possess administrator privileges. Next, make sure you have a programming language, such as Python or Node.js, installed on your system. Finally, have a reliable text editor or an integrated development environment like Visual Studio Code, prepared for writing your bot's code. These foundational steps are crucial for a smooth setup process. Now, let's create your bot application. Head over to the Discord developer portal in your web browser and log in using your Discord credentials. Once there, click on New Application and provide a unique, memorable name for your bot. After creating the application, navigate to the Bot tab on the left sidebar. Click Add Bot to transform your application into an actual bot. Crucially, copy your bot's token and store it securely. This token is like your bot's password. With your bot created, it's time to invite it to your server. Back in the Discord developer portal, under your application, click on the OAuth2 tab. Here, select the Bot and Applications.command scopes. Then, carefully choose the specific permissions your bot requires, such as send messages or read message history. A URL will be generated. Copy this URL and paste it into your browser. Select the desired server from the drop-down menu and click Authorize to add your bot. Finally, let's bring your bot to life with code. First, install a Discord API library, like discord.py for Python, using your package manager. Next, open your text editor and begin writing your bot's code, defining its functions and commands. Remember to paste your secret bot token into your code for authentication. Save your file, then open your terminal or integrated development environment and execute your script. Watch your bot come online in Discord and start responding to your commands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.